Hey, what's up, guys? In this video of WWE Supercard, I'm gonna claim this pack. I'm hoping for some pros. See what we get in 3, 2, 1. Alright, 150 credit. Scott Dawson is not a pro. Oh, we will be winning this Team Battleground, and my team is Gothic. I joined a new team, 100% Straight Fire. They're a grinding team. Let me show you this Road to Glory progress. So we got to Hanson, and it was a harsh +1 grind. And there's a new fusion fusion event going on for a Gothic Gobbly Gooker. I'm gonna open two of these, no, one of these, and see if I can get anything good. Alright, let's see if I can get 3, 2, 1. A beast and no good enhancements. Yeah. Alright, that's probably it. See you guys later.